Okay, so just recently, I'm just using a random file on VS Code. That's what I prefer to program on when doing Roblox stuff. But recently, Roblox added const, and if you don't know what const is already from other languages, you can. It's just like local, where you set a variable using local, but instead now it's const. So like, let's say Raiden is equal to Raiden. That's my name. So, and that's never gonna change. But let's say that's the point of const. So if you wanted to change, if you wanted a variable to never be changed and you want to make sure it never is going to be changed, now you do like Raiden is equal to not Raiden, right? And now it'll lower, like it's being underlined already because it's not being used. That's unrelated. But as you can see, this is being underlined because it says this is not a variable. This is a constant. You can't do that. But if I were to change it to local, now you see it's no longer underlined. So if you want to make sure your variables are never being changed, that shouldn't be changed. Like, let's say it's some value or something, and like when you're coding, because sometimes it's like you got 5,000 lines of code, and you don't want that shit to be changed. You should be using const. It's brand new out and it's really good to use. You should just use it. And soon they're going to be adding classes, so you don't have to do some weird ass meta table stuff, and now you can do proper classes. I don't know if it's out yet. I don't know when it's coming out, but I can't wait for that to come out. But this is the first step, and this is like a huge thing that Roblox added that is like should be used more and is very uncommon, and it's hard to find out. Like, and my friend texted me, he was like, yo, they added const, and why didn't anyone tell me this? It's been out for like a week. And I was like, I don't know, I didn't know it was out either. And so I figured might as well make a video about it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See ya.